Hello everybody, Eliott5891 here with another KTANE module tutorial. This time we're covering the new Minesweeper module. As of time of this recording, this module has been out less than 24 hours, so I haven't really seen a meta develop on it yet. So we're just going to go over the basic rules and not really discuss this is how people usually are doing it. This module only requires the serial number for edge work. In this case, 002 X-ray equal to X6. Let's do the one here on the back by itself. If you played Minesweeper on a Windows computer between Windows 3.1 and 2000 or 7 or I don't know when they took it out, somewhere in that range, this should be familiar. You've got two modes, digging mode, and once you've done the first step, you can change from digging mode to flag mode. You have to first figure out what's the first safe spot to dig. It's always going to be one of the colored squares. You're going to take the second digit of the serial number. If it's 0, substitute 10. In this case, it is 0 as our second digit in the serial number, so we're going to substitute 10. And we're going to count that many colored squares in reading order, looping if necessary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's orange. We're going to take that number, or that color, orange, and look it up in this table. Orange gives us 2. We're going to add that to the numeric value of the first letter of the serial number. In this case, that's an X. So we have X, which is 24, plus 2 gives us 26. So now, in reverse reading order, so starting at the bottom right and going backwards, we're going to count off 26 squares, and whichever one is the 26th colored square, we're going to count off 26 colored squares, rather. And whichever one is the 26th colored square is the one that we start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 24, 25, 26 is going to give us this purple square. This is where we begin. We click it, colors go away, and we get the start of a Minesweeper board. Now, from here, it's just, for the diffuser, a standard game of Minesweeper. You've got dig mode, flag mode. Each number indicates how many mines are under that square. If you click a mine, you get a strike. And module disarms when either all non-mine squares are dug or all mine-filled squares are flagged. So we can go through, we could solve this. I probably will solve one. 3 around here, boom, boom, boom. 1's already around here, boom, 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 boom. 1 touching here has to be here. 3 touching here has to include that. So that 1 is done, do, 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 do. That 1 has to be there. Do, do, do. That one's done, do, do, do. That 1 has to be there. Do, 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 do. This 3 is done. This 3 is not done, so I need this square. 2 is finished. This 2 is not finished. This 2 is, this 2 isn't. 1's done, 1's done. This 3 is done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to cover that one. This has got 2. That's got 2, so it's done. That's got 1, it's done. There we go. Covered. Technically what I did is I dug all the non-mine spots, went ahead and filled in the rest with flags, and I'm done. No, that's Minesweeper. It's, if you don't know how to play Minesweeper, you don't know good strategies for it, there's plenty of tips and tricks out there for that. As far as this part goes, this is not too bad. Let's go ahead and knock out the initial spots on these two. We're starting with 10 clockwise, and then 26, or 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That gives me the blue. Blue is 6, so I'm going to go back 24 for X, plus 6 more for blue makes 30, so that'd be 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Red's our starting point on that one. Ooh, a 5, that would not be too bad. So for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gives me red, that's 5. Wrapping around, first letter was X-ray, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, plus the 5 for red, puts me at yellow. I mean, it's Minesweeper from there. I don't think I need to go over this part again. So let me pop up one more bomb, and we'll look at starting spaces again. And then we'll wrap this one up. We'll do the 2 on this side. Serial number is SC9Z Hotel 1. And we'll do these 2. Personally, I think if I'm doing this as the diffuser, I'll just wait for the expert to give me the number of colors to count, give him what color, and then have him give me the number of cells to count back again. I suppose you could just read off the colors in reading order and have him jump straight to the answer. I think that might be a little less time effective. But here are the 2. Go ahead and pause if you need a second to figure out where we're going with these. Alright, so first off, we're going to go with the number of the second digit in the serial number. That's a 1. So for this top one, we're going to start at green. For this bottom one, we're actually also going to start at green. Green is our lookup color, is also a 1. So we're going to go from bottom right, count number, the numeric value of the first letter, that's S, so that's 19, plus the 1 for green makes 20, so we're going to count back 20 in both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 19, 20. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. And those are my starting points. Likewise, this one here on the back, we go 1 to start is yellow. That's worth 3. 19 and 3 is 22, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We start at the black one. And that's how you start Minesweeper, and from there you play Minesweeper. So this one, it's a little lengthier on the diffuser part. It's almost like a needy. It almost has the principle of a needy, which is burn up some of the diffuser's time. So it's an interesting module. I'm curious to see how people respond to it, as I am with any new module. But that's how it works. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, suggestions, as always, leave them in the section down below. Otherwise, until next time, this has been Eliott. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun, and don't explode. Bye, guys.